Hi guys, today we talk about the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The ZTE Innovia Red Magic 9 Pro Plus launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $800, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $999. The dimension is same, not much difference, and the weight of the devices. The Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with 229 grams and the Red Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 223 grams. The front and back glass and aluminum frame, and the both devices come with dual SIM support, nano SIM, and the display of the devices. The Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with AMOLED 1 billion color, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. And the screen size, Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with 6.8 inches screen, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 6.82 inches screen. The resolution of these devices, the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with 1116 by 2480 pixels, and Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 2K screen resolution and the PPI dynasty. The Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with 400 PPI dynasty, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 510 PPI dynasty, and the refresh rate is same 120Hz. And the screen to body ratio, Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with 89.1%, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 91.3%, and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with Gorilla Glass 5, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The screen brightness of these devices, the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with 1600 nits of brightness, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 4500 nits peak of brightness. And the camera setup of the devices, the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel micro, and it's record 8K 30fps video. And the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with quad camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and 50 megapixel periscope with 135mm lens, and it records 8K 30fps video with Hasselblad color calibration. And the selfie camera of these devices, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 32 megapixel of selfie camera, and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with 16 megapixel under display selfie camera. And the platform of these devices, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra and the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with, and the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with octa-core Cortex X4, and the chipset of these devices, the port device comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the GPU is same Adreno 750, and it also comes with Android 14 operating system. The memory of these devices, and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with 16GB and 24GB of RAM, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The internal storage, the both device comes with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and no SD card support in both mobile. Let's go to the battery setup of these devices. The Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with 5500 mAh battery, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 5000 mAh battery. And the fast charging of these devices, the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes with 165 watt fast charging, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 100 watt fast charging, and Oppo Find X7 Ultra only 50 watt wireless charging support, and the both mobile come with 5G network. The common and feature is same, but the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus have built-in cooling fan. And the result of the devices, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra got 23 points, and the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus got 19 points.